Hello, what's up? What's going on? This is see your boy Benny. I'm just going hiking with Alyssa, yo, dog. Um, but yeah. Look at all this nature, man. This is nature at its finest. Look at. If I could, I would totally make some amazing movie here and be like, oops, don't fall. That would have been an easier way to go. Oh, shish, kebabs.
Hmm? We can still go back.
Okay, yeah, you go back. I'm gonna hurt myself right here. Ugh. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. ¿Qué pasó? Look it this way. Where are you going? Over here. It's this way. It might be easier to go around. Oops.
That's
Too
what
close.
I'm trying to go around.
But just like right here, isn't that easier that way? And then just come in right here. Look at my socks. And then right here. Right? Alright. Let's see if we meet up. This has a cool thing you go under. Ouch. So, what's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Do you guys like going hiking in the wintertime? Well, if you live in Southern California, you can because it's hot outside. It's hot. This morning it was really cold. My hands were blue, but this way.
Still filming?
Yeah, I'm gonna go 10 minutes on this. Might as well. Why not record? Keep on recording. But yeah, this is so cool. I'm like, next time I'm bringing my nice camera and I'm gonna take a whole bunch of pictures because this looks so nice. Look at this. This would look so cool. Oops. 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 Cobwebs. Are we halfway there, Matt? Halfway there yet? What was that? Stagnant water.
Yeah.
Ooh. Love me. I don't know what else to say. Hey. So next time, we have to stay on the right side, the farthest right side. Oh, ooh, ooh, so dark. Did we pass this when we were coming? Or we stayed over
We
there,
were on the
huh?
other side.
Water. Water, water, water. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, oops. Oops. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Okay. Hope you have an amazing day. To whoever watches this, if anybody. Alright, okay. I don't know if I'm talking like that again. Okay, goodbye.